Heyo, Frozen Boss, and welcome back. We hope everybody is being safe and warm this week. We know all across the country it's just been a really kind of cold spell from the north to the south, so please be safe. Chef himself just fought the elements to get some recipes going here. We went out and got the food for this video, but what a video today. This is the simplest vegetable beef soup you can make around. Let's get cooking. In a crock pot, we're going to start with some crushed tomatoes. Next, we're going to add our beef stew, which is just about a pound of beef stew right there. We're going to add our vegetables, so beans. Next up, we're going to add some carrots, and make sure all the juices from the cans are going right in. Sliced potatoes, corn, and then one package of beef onion stew / dip mix. And we're going to give this a good stir. Now the fluids from all the canned goods are going to really make that soup, but it's good to have a can of beef broth on standby, and I'll explain later. So give that a good stir. And don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below. Chef said you can go ahead and season with some salt and some pepper, and then any other seasonings you would like. After that, go ahead and place the lid on the crock pot and then set this to low. Chef said we're going to cook this for 6 hours, stirring every so often. So every so often, just go ahead and check it. Give it a good stir. This is going to cook down. That beef is going to be so tender. Looks delicious. Can't get any simpler than this. Again, 6 hours. And Chef said if you want to add a little beef broth towards the end or halfway through, you can do so. So after about 6 hours, this is what it looks like. And it cooked down. Everything's so nice and tender. There's Chef. He even had to put a long sleeve shirt on today. It's that cold. He's going to go ahead and put this in a bowl. And if you want to, you can serve it up with crackers. But pretty much here's our end result. Our vegetable beef soup. Delicious. A lot of vegetables in there. A lot of flavor. And again, this was our very simple version. Definitely check out some other versions. I know there's some longer ones, but this is like a nice quick, throw it all in the crock pot, let it cook all day or half the day, and then there you go. We hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks again. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. Stay warm, everybody.